Alright, so I've heated up basically half of this. My fingerboard extension heating blanket has quit on me, so I'm using my bridge one. So I'm going to do it half at a time. So I'm trying to get it under there gently, not force anything. I like to wiggle. I want to get around the perimeter. Don't want to go in too much because I don't want to mess up any fibers. I don't want to get in under any of them. There you go. Slipped in. See how much easier it is to get in this side? I'm working backwards. Normally this would be facing me, but for camera purposes, I'm going to work it so you can see. Alright, so it's feeling pretty good. Now I'm going to come in. I want to avoid any crackling sounds. That tends to be wood fibers. See, there's not very much. I mean, there's a little bit of darkness, a little bit of oil came up, but we're pretty good. A lot less than if you directly put the blanket on there. I couldn't get the inlay out. I tried steaming it out. It wouldn't come. It started to chip, so I have plenty of those lying around. That's an easy fix. So this board's cooling off. It's now, it doesn't feel like hide glue. It feels more like it could help you with hide glue. But see, this is the blanket I'm using. I don't want to, I can only do half at a time. My LMI blanket basically quit on me, so yeah, that's definitely cooling down. Alright, so we got this other half heated up. See how easy. Whoa, that's going in there real easy. Might have to heat up the middle now. That's slipping in there pretty good. See, I try not to come at the wood grain straight on, so that's how deep we're going in. So I'm only there. Sometimes catching it at the side or at an angle, I find is the best. And I like this wiggling action because you're not pushing it. You're letting the knife do the work, you know? This works well with bridges as well as fingerboard extensions. Gotten to the point where rarely do I mean, minimal wood fiber coming up. And if you ever do pull up a lot of wood fiber, you want to get up under that wood fiber off of whatever, if you take a bridge off, fingerboard extension, and you want to get up under it with a razor or a chisel and get that sucker off. And then you can put it back in place and then clamp it with like a piece of plexiglass or something flat, you know, glue it. And then, you know, if it's a slight bit raised or whatever, you got some twisted fibers and it doesn't go down exactly the way you want it, you come back in with a razor blade or a sanding block and just flatten it out. Because you really don't want glue to be a filler. It's not, you know, especially on the bridge. Ooh, you hear that? Yeah, that's it, releasing. That right there was not wood fibers. See that sucker moving? Oh, hello there. So now, see that? When you start getting deep, you can rub it. You don't want that to happen, because what it'll do is it'll leave a mark. I'm pretty close to loose. I do not need to heat it any longer. Now I'm going to go grab my longer spatula. Yeah, it's loose. All the way. All the way. 18-inch ruler works in a pinch. You know why? Because it's easy to control and it bends up. Got it. All the way.